Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a fidget cube right here. This right here, it's a fidget cube. It has 5 buttons on this side. 2 of them are silent. I think these two, this one and this one are silent. Yeah, and this one. These 3 click like a pen. This one is a little ball that you can roll. This is a little rock thing. Well, I don't know if this is. This is a switch, kind of like this one. Bill Nye the Science. So yeah, this is a little switch.
Yeah, I could take it about it.
This right here is a ninja. Okay. And this one is a little spinner. And yeah. So this is my fidget cube. It's black. Oh yeah. And this one.
I couldn't hang on to those. Not like.
And
I have time, but yeah.
Peace.